Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. I have some real exciting news for you. Something that I learned about when I was going over the Crown for you guys here, the new Toyota Crown that's coming out, is that Toyota is doing a digital key. So what's a digital key? It means that you can do pretty much everything that you can do with your key fob, you can do with your phone. So I'm sure they'll still have the key fobs. I'm sure that you'll still get a couple of those with your car, but it says that you can actually program your phone and share your key digitally if you needed to for, you know, guests or I'm guessing valets, things like that. So there's a couple things that I know are going to have to happen for it. So I'm going to read a little bit about what Toyota actually defines the digital key as. So it says, to make road trips even more convenient, vehicles equipped with this new system enable owners to access a digital key, an extension of the user profile feature, through their smartphone within Bluetooth proximity. So obviously you can't do it like over Wi-Fi, something like that. You gotta be within Bluetooth proximity to the vehicle. You can lock, unlock, start and stop their vehicle through the Toyota or Lexus app. And in the future will be able to be shared with up to 7 different guests at one time. No passwords or pins are required, creating a seamless guest experience for users registered in the Toyota or the Lexus apps. All right, so that's kind of like an overview. So the other thing that, and I just dropped the paper here, but the other thing is, so what it says on the Crown, and this kind of gives you a little bit more of an insight to it. So the digital key is offered on the Platinum of the Crown as part of the advanced technology package on the limited grade. So with an active remote connect subscription, drivers can use a digital key via the Toyota app and allow passive entry, unlock the front doors and trunk, or push start using the smartphone as a key. It also provides the ability to share keys with friends and family. So these two things right here tell me pretty much everything that I need to know, all right, to be able to help you guys out. So first off, if you see that you've got the ability right here, so where you can lock or unlock the vehicle by having the key close and by grabbing your door handle, if you have that ability, which is called the smart key system. So you're gonna have to have the smart key system in order to for it to be able to see the key. So the other thing you're gonna need is a remote connect subscription. So most likely, and this is just kind of from what I know, so most likely you're gonna have to be on the upper end with the upgraded radio. So the remote connect is the one where you can start, stop, do everything from the app already. The only thing you can't do is drive off. So and they're supposed to be working on remote connect with drive off, where you can actually open the door and it doesn't shut off. But currently, if you actually open the door after it's been running, the vehicle will shut off. So if the vehicle obviously shuts off, you get in, you have to have your smart key, you push the button and then it starts. Well, this is going to use your cell phone as your key. So like I said, you can share it with up to 7 people. There's it's something that is going to be really cool for Toyota to get. Now, what's going to get it? Well, the Toyota Crown for sure, but I would make assumptions on a couple of other vehicles just because of where we're at on them. When you look at the Highlander is changing a little bit coming next year. So in 23, it's changing a little bit. I would not be surprised if the digital key was added to it. I mean, I don't think we're too far from a refresh or a total redesign on the Tacoma. I know the 4Runner is probably going to get one. I wouldn't be shocked if they just went and added to the Tundra for the next model year, or if they did over-the-air updates to the Tundra. RAV4, I don't think we're too far from a refresh on. Corolla and Camry, same thing. I don't think we're too far from either a redesign or a refresh on those. And I'm betting that all of those will get it. So Toyota doesn't tend to sit on these things. So once they get something and they're ready to put it out in one vehicle, it tends to expand to a lot of them. So I would think that you're going to see any vehicle that is remote connect capable possibly get an over-the-air or a dealership update to where you can actually make it to where you can use your phone. A lot of people have asked for it. I get people from, you know, YouTube obviously that always ask me about it and say, hey, I want to be able to do that. Every once in a while I get somebody that's locked their keys in the trunk of a Camry, and they hit the lock button and put the keys in there, and now it becomes a problem in the Camry. So because keys are inside the car already. So if you obviously had your cell phone on, you can just unlock the car. So it's a safety thing, it's a convenience thing. It's really nice to know if you have your phone on you, with which I've made the joke a few times that I'll turn around for my phone before I turn around for my wallet. It's just the way it is now. It used to be you couldn't leave the house without your wallet. Now you got everything on your phone. So that being said, what do you guys think? Are you excited? New digital key from Toyota. So the new digital key from Toyota, start, stop, drive your car, acts just like your key fob on your Toyota with the new digital key, and it is coming. Like I said, it's been announced. It's already going to be standard equipment pretty much on the Platinum Crown, and then an option on the Limited. So like I said, upper radio levels. It's going to be tied to which radio you have and whether or not you have Remote Connect, and then you're going to have to maintain that Remote Connect subscription in order for that digital key to work, because, and I'm going to note this too, it will use the cloud to confirm your identity. So there is going to be a cost to doing it. So I don't know if they're going to stay with what it is now. Right now it's $8 a month or $80 a year. If they stay with that, I think it's definitely well worth it for that, but it is not going to be free. I am 100% sure it's not going to be free to use that, because they're going to have to use the cell phone signal. Likely you'll get a free year when you buy your vehicle, and then beyond that it'll become part of the connected services like the Remote Connect currently is. So definitely tell me what you think, you guys. Steve Welch with Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Are you excited about it? Definitely like and comment. I appreciate you guys, and have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.